Invisible zippers and I have a love-hate relationship. I can install them, but they're not always as invisible as they should be. So, this garment didn't call for an invisible zipper, but it called for a separating zipper. But for some reason, I still approach this project with great hesitation. Let me tell you how excited I am about this garment. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. Hopefully you are enjoying the series and have decided to subscribe. Also, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and share this video with a friend. Today we are focusing on denim. Everyone loves a great denim piece, and it's a great essential to have in your wardrobe. Today's garment is based on last week's garment, which was the men's t-shirt. If you recall, I traced my husband's ready-to-wear t-shirt to create my own t-shirt pattern. I was able to take that pattern and create a new pattern to create the raw edge denim jacket. This is course number 6 of the Sew It Academy. You can also learn to sew and create your own patterns and designs by joining the Sew It Academy using the link in the description box below. Don't know if you'll like it? No worries. You can sign up for the free trial to take the first 5 courses. There is no credit card information required, so you don't have to worry about any unwanted or surprising charges later. Also, with the Sew It Academy, you can cancel at any time, and the best thing about it is that you can take these courses at your own pace. To create this jacket, you need denim fabric, fusible interfacing, and a metal separating zipper that is at least 20 to 30 inches long. Now, I say this because the zipper that I had on hand was 24 inches long. I needed about 2 to 3 more inches on this zipper. Walmart's longest zipper was 22 inches long, and the metal zipper that they had that was 30 inches long was in gold. My husband asked for silver, so I wanted to honor his request and get him a silver zipper. So I headed over to Amazon and I ordered a metal zipper that was 30 inches long. So that's the only procrastinating that I did on this garment because I had to wait for my Amazon order to come in. It is for heavier coats and jackets, but it worked well for this garment. So depending on how tall you are or how tall the person that you're sewing for is, I feel like that range is a good range. Just check the length of that front piece and make sure that your zipper is long enough. There are 5 pieces to this jacket: the front, the front facing, the back facing, and your sleeves. It's sewn with 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, requires top stitching, and no hemming. Right, no hemming because it is a raw edge denim jacket. The closest you will come to creating a hem is sewing your front facing and your front piece together. The t-shirt pattern that I used was a size medium, so I am also categorizing this jacket as a size medium. So back to this zipper, y'all. Like, it was perfection, okay? It was so hard to contain myself as I stitched my way to the finish line. After I installed one side of the zipper and looked over my work, I felt instant gratification. I mean, I was like a child on Christmas Day. I couldn't wait to show it off. Not to mention, pressing those shoulder seams gave me like an immediate boost of confidence. My husband enjoyed the fitting process this go around. He was anxious as well and did a pre-fashion show for the kids because he was also impressed at how well this jacket was coming along. I know you're dying to see photos, but this menswear collection is giving me life. I'm excited and my creativity has been sparked. So stay tuned for episode number 4 because you don't want to miss it.